Introducing Ramp's AI Policy Agent, a set of tools designed to help finance teams catch 15 times more out of policy spend while doing the busy work for them. Embedded into your policy, Ramp's agent surveys incoming expenses and groups them by those recommended for approval, recommended for review, and recommended for repayment. Ramp's AI agent traces expense details like vendor, amount, and employee inputs and compares it to your existing policy. From there, Ramp makes a recommendation and even explains why. Ramp can even approve transactions like this on behalf of the manager or escalate them for manual review. For transactions that fall under recommended for review, Ramp explains why and even suggests actions to take. Finance teams can even click directly into policy from the expense they're looking at and find the exact verbiage within the policy. From there, finance teams can edit policy directly on Ramp. Hidden notes allow for additional context on gray areas, like certain exceptions that are not necessarily employee-facing. Easily save and publish when ready. Requested repayment are for those transactions that violate policy and should be declined. Ramp's AI agent is trained on your real policies embedded directly in your workflows. It's not just automation. It's a teammate that every finance team needs. Always on, always consistent, and helping you get back to the work that matters most.